Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fried egg pie. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 6 large eggs, 1 pre-made pie crust, and about half a cup of shredded cheese, like cheddar or mozzarella. Make sure you also have a 9-inch pie dish and a frying pan ready. This recipe is perfect for a hearty breakfast or a light dinner, offering a unique twist on classic comfort food. Now, let's prepare our pie crust and filling. Carefully press your pre-made pie crust into a 9-inch pie dish, ensuring it fits snugly. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 of your eggs with 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. This will be our binding mixture. Next, sprinkle a thin, even layer of shredded cheese across the bottom of your pie crust. This adds a wonderful flavor base. The next crucial step is frying our eggs. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and fry the remaining 4 eggs, one at a time, until the whites are just set and the yolks are still a bit runny. Gently place these fried eggs over the cheese layer in your pie crust. Then, carefully pour the whisked egg and milk mixture evenly over the fried eggs and cheese. This helps everything bind together beautifully during baking. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious fried egg pie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the center is set. Once baked, let the pie cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. This allows it to firm up perfectly. Serve it warm for a delightful meal. Also, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.